Now I've got with me Rai Pakle over here, India's leading trampoline gymnast. Rai, how has been your journey? And you became a national champion. So can you let more about your journey and how tough it has been? Going through that phase and achieving that milestone in your life.
Trampoline gymnastics was introduced in India in 2018 and it started rapidly growing in India. And till now, within 7 to 8 years, we have played multiple World Cups, World Championship, Asian Championship, selected for Asian Games. And it was very tough because a new game was introduced, a new category of gymnastics was introduced in India. And it was very tough, but our coaches, our athletes made it very easy and possible. And it was very hard to become me, which is like 7-time national champion and 7 times international. I have played 7-time international and also Chhatrapati Puraskar awardee. But it was a very hard journey, and but it's, to be honest, it's a privilege to be an athlete. It's a privilege to be disciplined, to be consistent. And yes, trampoline gymnastics is a new sport, and I would love to ask you all to explore this game, explore gymnastics, explore every category of gymnastics. And I just wish that you all pray that we all play into more international levels. And to be honest, my personal goal is to play for Olympics and represent my nation to more international levels, and especially Olympics for sure. I tried for Paris, but it was unfortunately not my day. But I would love, and I'm trying for Los Angeles. So yes, I just wish your prayers, and thank you.
So what message you want to give to those young athletes who want to be there as a trampoline gymnast?
I think the message should be for parents, that parents should push the athlete, their kids, into a new sport, into something which is more unique rather than some common sports, like not just gymnastics but other sports also, that some unique sport and not just common. So I think ये कट कर देना प्लीज
It's fine. Thank you for talking to us. Over to Combox.
ये कट कर